guys, welcome back to my channel. How's everyone doing? So today is sunny, so we decided to step out. Since I've been here, we haven't actually gone out to the beach to actually stay there for long because it's been really cold. We are currently on our way and our bus is driving.
A bus?
Well, my husband is driving. Someone, guys, meet someone special.
That's Khalid.
My sweet little princess.
Hi.
She calls herself a queen. Say hi.
Hi.
So it's end of May. We are approaching summer, no longer spring. So we are really excited. So today we decided to go out.
Join us to the beach.
Okay, guys. It's really sunny today. It's really nice. It's not like this Lagos sun. It's really nice, calming. It's a bit cold, tiny cold, but the sun just makes everything so beautiful. So I'm really excited, and someone is twinning with me. Check out our outfit. Please come with us. Enjoy the day with us. You want to show them your outfit?
Oh yeah.
What are we getting?
I don't think they have sushi here.
They don't have fishy. Have you ever tried Doritos?
Of course, I have.
So we need to get stuff for the beach. So, I don't know what you guys want.
Can we get some Doritos?
Yeah,
I fancy Doritos.
Okay.
Cheesy corn chip. This is.
We're gonna be there for a while. So.
What else are we getting, my love?
I don't know.
Come on. I look on my bed. We're twinning, guys. Okay. So
There's no shirt.
this mask doesn't fit me at all. So going back with that.
Okay, here you go.
So this is quite good. Amma,
Yeah.
here's the camera.
Okay.
Take the camera. So yeah.
I see someone is really excited about this trip. More than me trying sushi for the first time. Okay.
I'm here. I'm here.
My love, do you need some help? Let me help you hold some. Are you going to?
Ooh, that looks like some busting water.
It's water.
I know, it looks so
Let's
good.
go.
Did you know water tastes like salt?
So we're not getting any yogurt, my love.
Get what you want.
Okay, hold. I'll take it like that.
Oh, you're just gonna spoon it out with your fingers? Here you
I'll
go.
have some biscuits as well.
The lining is going bad again. But that's okay.
That's chocolate.
This is the last I've done.
Right.
Take the last item from the line instruction.
It's because there's too much weight.
Ready?
What? Ah! What? Hi, guys.
What are you doing?
Nothing much. We're paying.
Okay.
And yeah. So we're gonna play with the guns.
Scan an item.
Don't cancel us for saying that, but we're gonna play with some water guns. That's a good one. Water guns. So yeah, we're paying with Dad's money. So it can be broke.
My love. Hey, hey.
So what's up, guys? We just got to the beach right now, so we just parked up and the girls are getting ready. They're just trying to put their bathing suits on.
Bathing suit. Ah!
She's falling. What's going
My
on?
love, you should help me.
Help me do what?
Let me stand up. I'm trying to get the top of it. Can you help me get this out? Rosie, your dad is mean. And you too, you're mean. You were laughing instead of trying to help me out.
Oh, that's fine, because it's just this in there.
We are set to swim. This is my first time I've been to have to swim. Okay, this is not my first time, but in over 7 years, I haven't been to a beach where I have to swim. We're ready. We just want to get ice cream. Look at the
Twinning.
environment. Look at that. You know something, guys? Something I realized here, there's like a large piece of green land where they basically just rear sheep. Such a lovely view, guys. What do you have to say, Rosie? Are you not excited? Hi. Just hi. Nothing else. Oh, look at. Show them that we are twinning. See our dresses.
Twinning.
Show them. Come on, model the dress. Hi, hello.
Welcome to the sun at last. Sunny Wales. You'd have never thought, would you?
Plain vanilla.
Yes.
Okay, please vanilla.
Sure.
What is this one?
This one here?
Yeah.
So it's what they call a salted caramel.
Salted caramel. What is this one? This one.
This
is,
one's a honeycomb.
Oh, okay. I want this one.
Do you want
No,
this?
no, just vanilla.
Just vanilla.
Yeah.
Okay, here we are.
Thank you.
So do you own like this place, or do you
The cart or the farm, or
the farm?
I don't own the farm. No. I'm a teacher by trade, and this is a cart I had when I went out to Italy. I imported some Italian ice cream, and years ago, anyway, I sold up, and this is what I had in return. So it was like a half retirement scheme, but we'll see. We're down in Muslade, which is down on the Gower Peninsula. Voted, in fact, as the one of the areas of outstanding natural beauty, way back in the 50s, and it was the first place in Britain to be given that award, to be given that title, which basically means that it's untouched for the best part of over half a century, and long may it stay that way.
Oh, this is so good. Like, this is one of the best vanilla ice cream I've actually tried.
Is it better than Cold Stone?
I don't know, but this is really good, guys. That is really good. Rosie, do you want to tell them about your ice cream?
Yeah.
Is it really nice?
Yeah. No, so the man was really.
Guys, check out mine. Yeah, ice cream is dope, guys.
This is really
We're just heading towards the beach, guys. So when we get to the beach, guys, we're gonna show you around. This beach is really nice. So see you guys soon.
Oh my god, this is so perfect. It's so heavenly.
Guys, check this place
Look
out.
at the view, my god.
Look at the view, guys.
Is this like a mountain or something? This is perfect. Oh, just poo everywhere.
Where is the beach?
Like,
I can't see it. Would you really have the guts too?
yeah, I'm strong.
I can't. I want to fill up your butt. Not even so.
Exactly.
Oh yeah, cause
So guys, we are at the beach. Oh my days, how much is this coming?
keep going. Don't die, oh.
Guys, I've never done this before. So let's go. Look at this.
So good. This is like rock climbing.
Yup. Be careful. Are you good? You okay?
Yeah.
Guys, we're on an adventure.
I've done like trophies. We thought we're just never in hit rock.
Ooh.
Right.
Yeah.
How do we get there?
Oh, this is easy. Follow my lead, guys.
Follow your lead.
But don't follow this lead. Because you have to sit down to do this way.
Come on, hurry up. There's people behind you. She almost fell.
Rosie, you sure you're okay?
Yeah.
Guys, this is like scary.
I'm not supposed to wear flip flop. I can't see.
Alright, keep going.
Ella. Ella.
Come on.
Okay. We're doing this. Rosie, are you okay?
Woo.
Be careful.
Guys, almost made it. How'd you feel?
I feel good. I feel
Alive.
good. I feel like I'm doing something great. Climbing rocks. You better have a good shot of all this for sure.
Yeah. Because you need to go on and go.
Ooh,
Like, where's that like?
it's not diamonds, though.
We just
You
discovered
think it is diamonds?
We're going to be rich and famous.
Guys, check the water out.
You see them everywhere. Who was going to say? It's like she wants to stop.
I know, look at this view.
Oh, it really makes you sweat.
Almost fell. No.
This is really amazing.
Oh, there's like a path.
Really?
There's like a quick path, yeah.
Let's go for the pump.
There's like a, I think
Guys, come along.
I think it's like the beach thing.
We're discovering.
We really just discovered something.
Yep.
Don't go in the water, okay?
Careful.
And don't slip.
I don't think these slippers that is best for this.
No.
Gloves or slippers, whatever you call it. Young lady,
I'm gonna say.
I got cut too. You are going to hold my foot. So, go, move it.
What a lovely beach!
Is it really good? Hi guys, so thank you so much for joining us on our little adventure. It was really nice. The water was pretty cold, but the weather is really lovely.
I had a fun time, but I'm really cold.
If it's your first time watching my video on YouTube, please kindly subscribe and join my YouTube family. It would be so lovely to have you as part of my YouTube family. Thank you so much. Okay guys.
Bye guys.
Bye.